Hi everyone, this is Ritika Kanochia and you're watching TVC Media and Promotion. Today we are going to interview Mr. Shikhar Patwai, who is the marketing head of Need India. Hello sir. So can you introduce yourself and your products?
So basically, we are a company based in Ahmedabad. We manufacture cotton sinkers, cotton lycra, micro modal, and prints. We basically deal in women's undergarments and intimate apparel fabrics. We deal in that category.
So what is your motive to participate in Intimatia 2025?
So our main motive was to have, an overall scenario of what's going on in the industry right now, to get to know more about what fabrics and the evolution that are going on in the industry right now, to know our position, where we stand in the industry, and to connect to the new customers as well.
How's your product is innovation and different from others?
So, ma'am, our main USP is in our designs. We provide, we have an offering of, you can provide us a design and we can manufacture it for you. Our MOQ is very low, or as in compared to low to our competitors, and we mainly focus on quality, and that's our main motto. Or main,
In your opinion, which of the fabric is important for innerwear?
I think the most important or the most preferable fabric for innerwear is cotton, because it's healthier, it's more as in body friendly. So that would be the fabric I would prefer for any lingerie wear or innerwear.
How innerwear is important as outerwear?
Uh, I think it's as important as outerwear, because as in it helps you to
Do you focusing on sustainable and eco-friendly products?
yeah, we do have a few eco-friendly products. One of them is micro modal. So it's basically made from wood pulp. It's eco-friendly because it's made from wood pulp. It's not man-made fiber. And we have the cotton fabric that we have. It's also as a man-made fabric. It's basically not man-made fabric. It's from the nature itself.
As you know, innerwear is important and a sensitive topic. Still, people are ignoring it. Is your company doing any awareness campaign or educating the people?
No, ma'am, we don't educate directly to the consumers, but we do educate our buyers who are processing our fabric. We tell them how the fabric should be, and what kind of quality should a fabric have for it to be good for the health of the one who are wearing it, who are utilizing the fabric or utilizing the garment itself. We prefer to sell more of cotton fabric because it's more cotton, as in more human friendly and more skin friendly. We try to provide solutions that are more, sustainable and more skin friendly, skin friendly in that nature.
Do you want to say something to the people who have not visited this exhibition today?
You have definitely missed out on the products range that we have, and once you visit us, we'll surely coordinate and connect with us. That's all.
So, what is your future target and vision?
I think we want to be a leading in the industry itself, and I think we need to pioneer this industry. That's possible. As of now, we have a quite good response in this exhibition. So we are planning to exhibition in Delhi, in Tirupur as well, because I think the market is huge over there, and we have a few more potential customers over there. So that's what we are planning right now.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your precious work.
Thank you, ma'am.